My queens, hey, watch me do my hair DIY. So today I'm using clip-ins to make my hair. Prior to that time, I'd done my cornrows. Now this is Yaki hair clip-ins, and that is the bundle I've pasted out into different length. It's all the same length, but they come in different lengths in terms of width. So what I've done is I've separated them. So what you see me doing now is clipping on the clip-ins, the air clip-ins to my head. Please pardon my cornrows. I know it's big, but honestly, I did not have the energy to do tinier waves. I just wanted something quick, So I'm arranging the clip-ins. If you have never used clip-in before, well, have you been living under a rock? Clip-ins have been in existence for a long time. I used to use them as far back as 10 years ago. Right. So why am I using clip-ins? I'm trying to grow my hair. I need something that can give me easy access to my scalp. And I don't want to put on wigs. I want my hair to breathe, especially because of my urges. So I just felt, okay, clip-ins, and someone gifted me this clip-in. So yeah, why not? Now let me say this. If you are a perfectionist, if you are someone that likes your hair to be perfectly laid down, no strands standing out, clip-ins are not for you. I, on the other hand, am not a perfectionist. I don't mind DIY as long as it looks good on me. When I style it, I'm good to go. So yeah, as you can see, I'm arranging the clip-ins based on their length, how long they are. Some of them cannot fully go around my head, so I'm sort of arranging it in a way that they align with each other and they are well placed. I have some spaces in between, but I'll fill that up later if need be. One of the things I like about myself is that I'm able to learn things. Like if I'm interested in something, I would learn it. So I'm interested in hair, and yeah, that's me. I would learn it. I'm interested in makeup. I would learn it for myself, not to become a professional, but for myself. If it's going to help me look good, if it's going to help me slay, trust me, I will learn it. So yeah, I'm at the front right now. As you can see, I'm clipping in the last strands of the hair, and my leave out is there. So what I'm going to do next is blend my leave out with the clipped in hair. Right, so I'm just adjusting it at that point, making sure that it's clipped down. What do you think? How does it look? I think it looks okay. So at this point, I added heat protectant to my leave out, and then I would be using my flattening iron, to just flatten it out. Because the hair itself is yaki, it doesn't have to be silky, flat, or smooth. It has this semi-curly, wavy, yeah, I think the right word is wavy texture. So I just brush it out, and then I blend in my hair, straighten it a bit before blending out with the clip-ins. I'm trying to achieve a C-part here. Gen Z may not know this, but there was something called C-part we used to do back in the day. Yeah, I'm trying to achieve a C-part here. I'm not sure if I got it right, but anyway, it will do. It will do. I can always improve that later. So far, so good. It's beginning to look good. It's coming up. It's the hair is herring. What do you think? The hair is herring. There's a word like that, pardon me. But you know what I mean. You know the gist. You get the gist of what I mean. And I use my comb to comb it out, and also try to stretch the hair a bit, straighten it out a bit so it blends well with my own hair. The good thing is the hair color matches mine, so I'm a color 1B, and the hair color itself is 1B, so it sort of looks really natural. I bet if I don't tell, you might think that this is all of my hair. I wish my hair was this long and full. I used to have very full long hair, but along the line, childbirth, life, not taking care of my hair, I take full responsibility, has impacted my hair. But I'll get there. I'll get it back. I hope I can do all I need to do to get my healthy, shiny mane back. So far, what do you think? Do you like it? If it's something you're going to try. Now, to make the front sleeker, I take my wax stick, which I use for my wigs, and just try to smoothen it, just to make it neater and sleeker in front. That comb is hot. It's quite hot, but can you see the difference it makes? Can you see the difference it makes? Yeah, I sort of burnt myself in the process anyway. Yeah, I spot myself slightly in the process, but can you see the difference that makes? And then finally I go in with my frizz, just to tidy up my edges. I'm not really laying it down because I'm not looking for a slick look. I want a bit of roughness to it, like how do I explain it? Like slick but not slick, natural, edge. So I think I like the finished look. What do you think? Comment in the chat below, let me know.